video is to show you how to enter prepaid expenses into Xero. Prepaid expenses are things like if you pay for your insurance for a full year, or if you pay for a software subscription or membership fee, or something that you may just pay for once but use throughout the full year. So we do have a special way to enter that, and let me show you how to do it. We will start, let's start with insurance. That's something pretty much everybody uses and can be useful. So here we have an insurance company called First Insurance. Oh, okay. We will enter the insurance for today's date. And let's I am just debating on my reference. Sometimes I might put, yeah, let's just put insurance for I'd reference an actual policy number, or I might get a little bit more specific. For demonstration purposes, let's stick with this one. So let's say our insurance is $2,300 a year. In the account, we're actually going to put this into prepayments. This is the first step on entering this, but generally when we enter the invoice, we're not the whole year hasn't been used up. So we're just going to start with entered our insurance. For the second part of this, let's go here, and we are going to go down to manual journals. Oh, and we're going to do a new repeating journal. So again, we're going to do start it for today. It's going to repeat every month. And I'm actually going to, so this will expire, the last date posted will be for March 21st, 2026. I'm just going to give this an extra day. It shouldn't post on the 22nd, it will post on the 21st, but just in case there's any discrepancies. And we're going to go there. We click the post. And for the narration, oops. So I had copied this anyway for, oh, I didn't, normally I paste it into the description. I didn't this time, however you prefer to do it. So from here, we're gonna enter this as insurance. Now we did this for 2,300, so let's divide that. So we're gonna round this up to 191.67. Let's go 190. And then here we put the prepayments, and it automatically populates. So we hit save, and I had done another video, so now we've got two different types of insurance. There is a slightly different way to enter this for transactions that have tax on them. So let's go back here. There is a slightly different way to enter this for transactions that have tax on them. So let's go back here. Let's enter another bill. Okay, so we're going to enter it for today's date. So this time I will actually put it in the description. And also just a note that you can also do this from HubDoc. If you use HubDoc and publish your receipts into Xero that way, you can enter all this information into HubDoc. You will have to come back into Xero to do the journal entry, but it's still, this part of it will work the same. So let's take a random number here and say yearly subscription. This is where we actually take the total amount, tax included. So we're going to just do it for the total amount paid. So let's say 1324. I have no idea if that's correct or not, but we're going to go with that. Again, we're going to enter this as a prepayment, and there we go. So now in the manual journal entry, we're going to do another repeating entry. Again, I'm going to make the date one day more. I'll hit post. I'm going to add a little bit more description here. Okay. So from here, this is where we're going to actually account for the tax. So I usually find it easier to do tax inclusive. Oh, just a moment. So because we're in BC, we'll use a 12% tax rate. But from here, some businesses might, nope, okay. Sometimes it's under software, sometimes it's just under office expenses. They don't have BC, but they do have Manitoba. We're going to use it since it's the same one. So over here, we're going to take 1324 divided by 12. We'll do 11033. Okay, and here. So you can see here that it accounts for the tax in this one, which is great. We can recognize the tax once we're using that subscription for that month. And here there was no tax. And when we entered this, we did tax exempt, so that will all work out. And from here we hit save, and then you can see the first one's posted. So hopefully that helped you in being able to enter your prepaid expenses in a way that will make your accountant appreciate it. If you have any questions, please let us know and we're happy to help. Thanks. Bye.